Alright, YouTubers, we're gonna cook. Boom, we're in Aunt Noggin. And I'm gonna try to cook something, everything's washed, that a buddy of mine was married to a Korean woman, and she used to make this. And everything I know about it, it's called Bulgogi, if you've had it. It's almost like Italians making sauce to Koreans making bulgogi. Is everybody kind of has their own recipe. So what we're going to do, I'm going to slice it. I'll let you watch that sped up. So what we got is a Ziploc bag, because Ziploc bags are awesome. I'm going to put the beef in there. And with that, we're going to add crushed red pepper flakes. See? My buddy's wife, being Korean, like I said, I guess it's like a family thing and everybody makes it a little different. And hers was awesome because it was really spicy. And I like spices. And hers was great. I mean, it'd be hard to tell at the end if we drank more beer or ate more bulgogi, because it was hot. It was awesome. All right. Now I need other stuff. Where do I put things? You would think there's no place to lose stuff in a small RV. You'd think wrong. I lose stuff all the time. Garlic powder. Alright. Now, this is going to be nowhere near as good as hers, but I think it's going to turn out alright. I have some of that onion left and stuff. I got more, but I'm going to use up this. Not on its best days, but it's still good. Okay. Take another layer off. Peel an onion. Alright. I never watched her make it, so I don't even remember really what was in it, but it was awesome. I mean, I remember the general principle of it. Okay, so the onion's going to go in there with it. And then, totally cheating, but Korean barbecue sauce. Bulgogi sauce. And we're going to pour that in there. We're going to pour a good amount in there. Yes, we are. And that, my friends, my coffee's done. That is going to marinate for a while in there. And then you'll see how we do bulgogi. In there we got water. We got the New Wave induction cooktop. This pan boils better than the copper chefs do. So we're going to boil that. And I'm not proud of it. And I could almost hear her voice. I won't do the accent because that's probably disrespectful. But I'm going to do boil in a bag rice, which no self-respecting person actually uses boil in a bag rice. But for some reason, I seem to use it. So I don't need to show you boiling rice. It takes 10 minutes, just like the box says. Alright, another use for the old Polar. I got it hanging there, running off that battery pack just to do it. And I got the lid kind of cracked, so I'm blowing the steam away instead of setting up that thing I got. Yay! The rice is done. We will drain the rice. I guess this is a good it's raining outside meal. And in goes the bulgogi. To a cold pan like a dummy. Please forgive me. And I also have some minced garlic. gonna garlic that up. Oh yeah. Some more crushed red pepper on there. Try to spice it up a little bit. And we'll get that cooking. That might turn out pretty good. We shall see. I think I may have needed to cut the beef a little bit smaller, but it's cooking. Okay, rice. I'm going to add some sriracha. I don't think you need to. I'm not trying to overpower it with sriracha. And I'm also going to add some of the bulgogi sauce into the rice. And we will mix that in as such. Okay? It is not always easy to cook in a tiny Class B, but I try my best to find a way. I think we're about good. I gotta do some house cleaning because, again, it's tough. It's tough to cook in a kitchen like this in an RV, but we're gonna get it figured out. All right, I hope we got good lighting. So what we have here, and how she always said it was the right way to eat it. Again, I'm no expert on this, but this is a head of iceberg. I pulled the outer layers off. Come on, you. That didn't work. That'll have to work. Okay. So you eat it like a wrap. So what we're going to do, I'm going to put the rice in there. Then we're going to, hope we're in there. Then we're going to take the bulgogi. Yeah. Put some of that in there and some of the onion too. I don't remember if onion goes in it, but I had onion, so I put it in there. And then kind of fold and wrap it. And you eat it like a pouch. And it's awesome. I got a little bit of heat to it. So I was told that's how they do it. I was really hungry, so there'll be another one. That turned out pretty darn good. I got that pretty good. Now, honestly, it's very good, but it's nowhere like she used to make, because I've never really made it. I did it out of a jar, you know. Out of a jar and in a like 2 square foot RV kitchen. I'm very happy with that. Alright, let's make another one. Rice. Bulgogi beef, which is what bulgogi means. Seriously, this is not hard. You can do this. Fold and wrap. And eat. That's really good. Seriously, seriously really good. Hope you can see that. It's hard to do a flyover, but still, have a great and wonderful day. Eat something different. Alright, let's try a third one. Man, that is spicy. My mouth is burning. I like it. Maybe I can get the roll down thing. I don't think I got the roll. I think I'm struggling on the presentation. Alright. Do a full fold roll. Full fold roll. Maybe that'll work. Alright. Oh man. Alright, YouTubers. That one came out better. Prettier anyways. full fold roll, I think. I don't know. But it still tastes great. Now, please go have a wonderful day. Kichigumi is angry, my friends. Only supposed to be one day of this and it's supposed to turn nice. But I ain't complaining. I'm glad to be here. You get the idea. It's raining outside. I bring the rain. Okay, it may have taken me a while, but I think I got better at it. Smaller helps. And I think another thunderstorm put me in my element, you know? Now have a great and wonderful day.